I was recording and I wasn't streaming. It should be open now. It should be live. How did I manage that? How did I manage that? Yeah, it's live now. Yeah, sweet, sweet, sweet. That is disgusting. Um, gonna cut that SMT as that high. I don't know anymore. Can I zoom out of this so I can give you a bit more of a better view? That's better, isn't it? Yeah, like that. That's cold. Sick. We could target the CPI high. I don't. That's what I'm thinking if we did want longs. We've got SMT at the lows. Down here at the moment. What's up, Timber? What's up, Umar? How you doing? What does everyone think today? We've got this at the moment. And we've also got that. This is on the 4 hour. And we've also got that 4 hour gap below as well. On ES and NQ. Yeah, I did trade CPI. I got fucked. So currently I'm paying attention to YM because YM is the typical model shorts, just on a swing formation, just literally on the higher time frame. That is it. So in theory, this is basically SMT on the higher time frame. Up here, and this would be order block. We got candle close below it. Yeah, I mean, I think so many people. There must have been like 20 people that tried it in my Discord, and we just got fucked. Hey ho. I don't know, to be honest. I can see you've got YM shorts. You've also got the 4 hour below. It's kind of like I'm not as clear as I was yesterday. Let me tell you that. Like maybe we come down, get SMT approved, stay low, and then we can go higher. That's the other thing I'm thinking of. CPI isn't a pair. CPI is a high impact news release. Look at my TikTok. I made a TikTok on it. It's pinned on my page now. I made a TikTok. I posted it this morning. It's actually an amazing update, to be fair. 25% off for 24 hours, and you can now have 5 funded 0 accounts instead of 3. You can also reset funded accounts now, and they've also brought out a 25k plan. Yeah, I'll get you. Fuck knows. Honestly, anything could happen here. The platform didn't drop yet. No, I've already made a video on that as well. That's not out yet. The platform. The video is just speaking about the platform, and also speaking about the updates. The Alpha Trader platform hasn't come out yet. I'll make a video when it comes out. This is kind of dead. I can't even play music. I don't really want to blare my music. But I don't want to get copyright. YouTube chat. What do you think today? What do you think is gonna happen today? No SMT there yet. Alpha code. It's on the screen. My code to get 25% off. What's your thoughts on CPI? Well, I tried to pass some evals trading CPI and I got fucked. Obviously, it was a gamble anyway. This is NQ. I normally price will retrace back to the data high, which is the CPI high, and we've also got these relative equal highs. There's obviously SMT there, but you know, I would like to see if we get a 4-hour gap tag on one of these assets on the 4-hour fair value gap. The only thing I'm mindful of is YM. Yeah, I mean it's one of those things, right? When you're trading evals and when you're trying to gamble, you have to be prepared to lose the money. There's no quicker way around it. I'm also looking previous week high to get previous week high. So I took longs yesterday in here, and previous week high we came so close to and we failed to take it, which is very fucking weird. So like I think it's here. Let me mark it out. Yeah, it's there. So this dotted line is previous week high, and we've also got relative equal highs. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna be long, right? Until proven otherwise. I want SMT inside a previous day low to then long. That's what my framework will be. That's what, like, even I can flip at 10 a.m. depending on how YM candle closes. What's up, Lou? I'm leaning more long at the moment if we get a previous day low sweep. What about you, Lee? I think that the previous week high, relative equal highs are right there. So I would like to see if this is just a retracement to then carry on the move up. Like if I look at the 1 hour, there's not a lot of structure that's telling me, like on YM, even though YM's inside a daily bearish fair value gap, structure's not telling me a lot. Yet. Anyway, this just looks like a 1 hour consolidation. So it just looks like we're accumulating liquidity. So if we did get this here, or this here, you see those ES relative equal lows? They all align with a 4 hour fair value gap tag. So if we can get that, and then that'll also be sweeping the consolidation range lows to then go back to the highs. That's kind of what I'm thinking at the moment. What's up? Good morning. How are we all doing? I'm just going to send this in my Discord, 2 secs. I'm just going to send this 2 secs. Right, you can see, okay? Sweet. What do you think today, MXM? Price confirming for those things, I'm not convinced of. Yeah, I think we wait and see if we can get this. So what I would recommend you do, mark out this 4 hour gap, which is obviously aligned with this consolidation as such, right? In a consolidation profile, what do you want to do? You want to wait. You don't want to trade in the middle like we are here. You want to wait for a range low and then a range high sweep and then target the opposing. Does everyone agree on that? People seeing the same thing? Or is it just me? Am I just going the same? Does anyone know how I can I can like make it so that on my when people join the YouTube stream and the TikTok stream it like sends a message to the user to say like the stream or some shit like that. I can't trade. Did they raise Alpha Zero prices to 120 without a code? Are you on about the 50k? I assume. Let me check for you. Yeah, this is consolidation. Yeah, I agree. So we're just kind of similar to anyone that was in here yesterday. Kind of want the same thing as it stands, but obviously open can mess up all of that. Let me check now. Holy shit, they have. But it's still you're getting a discount anyway. So it's only $90 without any activation fee if you use my code. So it's still good. They kept that hush. Holy crap. But yeah, I mean it's still what $90 no activation. This is a 50k zero I'm on about, by the way, bro. I mean, you sure? What do you think will happen in CPI? CPI's already happened today. Do you sell a course? I do sell a course, but I put everything out for free. The course is just included in the private Discord. I don't push it. I don't care. All of my earnings basically come from trading. So I'm not like Justin Werlin. MMXM in the YouTube chat. Yeah, CPI's already happened. CPI happened at 8:30. Do you in the TikTok chat, do you prefer the face cam up above or below? Bro, I was thinking it would happen. No. CPI's already happened. Yeah, they did nerf CPI. I'm telling you, I don't know. CPI normally moves better than NFP. And today it's literally done the opposite. It's actually a bit crazy. Did you pass? Did you try and pass some accounts? Yeah, so CPI will always be at 8:30. The only time it varies is the date. But yeah, everyone in the TikTok chat and the YouTube chat, everyone like up the stream. We're gonna try and catch another trade today. Got one pass, one never filled my stop. Oh, I see. How did you pass one in that? Gold looked good from 15-minute info, so regular forward block. I only can trade and have data. Oh, I see. I probably won't even look at gold today, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just focusing on this consolidation profile. Obviously, in a consolidation profile, this is a range high. Range low, range high. So you could do like that, and then you'll have the relative equal highs. What's up, King Cams? How you doing, man? How you doing, man? But it does seem we are starting to respect some bearish PD arrays. That's my only concern. Like there's SMT all up here. YM is respecting it extremely well. These bearish PD arrays here. Like, and we've got these lows here. I'm gonna mark out the same. Like that. Do you not use point of control? I do not have a clue what that is, King Cams. What is that? What's point of control? I've never ever heard of that. Oh no, I don't use that. I don't use that. No way. It's the volume. Oh no way. No, I don't use that. I don't use order flow like that. No, I don't use support and resistance either. Also got this SMT, this tiny little thing. But I wouldn't want a long here when you got these relative equal lows. Just like that. What's up, Peter? How you doing today? This is on the 1 hour. This is on the 1 hour at the moment. Wait, you do realise though, like what we're doing on the daily? We've literally, I thought we were gonna get out of this range. We haven't. We've just swept the range low. So from it, same as the 1 hour, right? Can everyone see this? If you sweep a range low like this, right? Where should price gravitate towards? Range high. This stuff actually works. This is trading consolidation. Think about how many trades you could have saved yourself in here as well. Today was devious. I'm having to play music in my fucking headphones because of this copyright. Why do I get copyright for doing what? Can't even play music anymore. No wonder no one uses YouTube anymore. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving having these daylight savings. These daylight savings are amazing. Means I can get done so early. What about the 1 hour? Yeah, so what about 1 hour bearish fair value gap? If it we've already retested a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. If you look at YM, the YouTube chat can see it, but we're rejecting off of a 1 hour fair value gap, and we've already completed the external. So I would like to see if we take these lows. Just like that. Does that make sense to you, Peter? Yes, sir. Can you be profitable in 6 months? Depends. It depends. There's a lot of errors that you can make. Just strategy-wise and psychology-wise. There's a lot of stuff which can become a variable. Like there's no one set path. It's not like a career path where you just move up and become profitable, you know. I do think it's doable. But it depends if you're ready. I can't believe how bad CPI's been. We're not set Yeah, I mean, SMT approves the low would be a bonus. It'd make me more confident. We're looking for the long or short. I like longs. If we can come down lower than higher. I'm just gonna share. How do you share? I'm just gonna alert everyone that I'm live now. Thanks, EO. Thank you, EO. Coming in clutch. Yeah, I mean, Peter, I think if we can get a move lower, it would make more sense to me. We do have this SMT. If I move this, we do have this SMT in here, but equally, I don't want to change. I don't want to trade the consolidation. Like, Asia highs have been left as well, which is nice as a draw. And we've got CPI data high. Just need lower than higher. It's that simple today, guys. Just don't overcomplicate this. It's kind of similar. Same exact game plan as yesterday. Lower into a 4-hour fair value gap and then higher. It doesn't need to be complicated. Like, even though the Dow is inside of a bearish fair value gap, the other two assets and the framework in our draw is looking higher to me. 4-hour gap there, right? We've got 1 hour SMT here. I wonder, is anyone in pre-market longs, pre-open longs? You don't want distribution yet though, Peter. You got the same outlook? Nice work, amazing. That's huge. And we've got these lows here. We've just got loads of relative equal lows. You're telling me I'm not going to long while we've got this here and even the same one, even worse on the ES. I can't. There's no logic in that. You don't long, like, you want to see those lows get swept. That's a really important liquidity pool. Type 1 in the chat if you want longs, type 2 in the chat if you want shorts, type 3 if you don't have a bias. If you're just going to wing it. I reckon there'll be quite a few ones today. No, you cannot. 99 isn't 67. 1 but 3. Shorts and longs. Yeah, so shorts down lower. I agree. Gabriel, come into the YouTube chat so you can see my whole screen. I mean, if you want to stay in TikTok chat, then feel free. We wait for 9:30. 9:30, yes, as always. I never ever trade before 9:30. Let's fucking go. Data highs will. Yeah, those data highs. I said that those, like this CPI high here, and we've got Asia. If we can get a move lower, then we can look to trade higher. This is our SMT at the moment. Just like this. Equal lows 4-hour low. Yeah, I agree. Manipulate equal lows. Yeah. So a lot of us have the same game plan. Let's hope that we do get the open that we want. Lower than higher. That's what I'll be waiting for. That's exactly what we'll be waiting for. I'm gonna change my YouTube banner. I'm gonna change my banner as well. I'm gonna make it like a little better. So this is our data high here. Bro, I can't type. So we got that at the moment. What's up? What's up? What's up? Are you in both YouTube and TikTok? Whoa, look at that. Missed the IB. Gabriel, are you still in your short? Or are you at break even? You're at break even, right? You don't try. I've got another screen for NQ. This screen you're watching now is basically where I'd execute on. Yeah, nice, Gabriel. I mean, NQ lover, just do whatever you want. Just sit in TikTok chat, sit in YouTube chat, don't bother me. Oh, gotcha. Just make sure you don't miss any trades because of me. It's the last thing I want. Take the high, then shorts in the pure state. You want shorts? Nice. Oh, that's peak. Let's see. We want lower than higher. It's just looking a bit ropey. That high would have been 2p. Do you trade Bitcoin weekends? Yes, sometimes. I swing trade Bitcoin. I just got out of a short on it, which I got fucked over. The same strategy. The same strategy. The only thing is with the Bitcoin short that I took, it didn't have any SMT, so I took it a bit lower. Such. You catch CPI? No, I got fucked on CPI. I got absolutely fucked. There you go. That's better. Yeah, everyone. I don't think I'd be shocked if anyone actually passed evals on CPI. It's on my Peter. It's the same way I trade normally. Is it going to take the CPI high and then just like go lower, create the SMT? I still can't do anything until we've had the sweep of the lows or some manipulation. Lost my grandma to CPI. What the hell? What the fuck? Because we're in a consolidation profile. I'll probably make a video on this. I'm not gonna lie. We're in a consolidation profile. If you go from we want to see range low and then range high. Like, look how we're just consolidating around here. Like this. You see it? King cams. So this is our range low, I would say. And this is the range high. And this is also aligns with a 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, sweet. Just zoom out. If you're ever in doubt, just zoom out. Right, here's open. What's your I didn't take this trade. There's no trade. This is the model, but it's pre-open, so time didn't align. Can't take anything if time doesn't align. Oh, for fuck's sake! You'd have had TP there, right, lover? That was more volatile than CPI. Right, I'm going to get rid of all this analysis now, so I can pay attention to what's going on presently. What's up, Jordan? How you doing, man? I know. I'm watching YM now. Yes, sir. I mean, that was a better move than... Yeah, I know, exactly, Peter. Tell me about it. That was like a 10 times better move than CPI ever was. Like, what is that about? I want lower than higher. I'm watching the Dow. The Dow is most likely going to tag the S&T because it's so much weaker. But does everyone understand about like consolidation profiles and what I'm expecting? Yeah, so it's seek and destroy. Seek and destroy is the range low, range high, or range high, range low. Anything in between the range highs and the range lows is considered as low probability, as it's just consolidation. So think about it. Why would you want to, take something which is low probability inside of the range? Like here. We've got inverse on YM now. You know what you could do? This could, if we don't end up sweeping out these lows, then you can always take this on a lower risk, like an eval or something. Just because we have these equal lows, consolidation lows below. So this is our 1 hour SMT. As you can see. SMTs with ES and YM, but yeah, NQ stronger. What do you do with 3 accounts you get from our futures? would you do the same trade for all? If they're all funded, I do the same trade for all, yes. If it's an eval, I don't do the same trade for all. I trade my evals separately. Unless I'm O-shocking. Just watch YM. YM's the weakest one. What? Someone in the Discord's eval's still live. Like, from the CPI. Yeah, I agree exactly, Andrew. That's exactly my game plan. Consolidation as well. How did he pass? How do I access my different accounts on eval? How do I access my different accounts? What do you mean? It'll be on the dashboard. Or did you see it, NQ? You did. I saw you saw it. He was in drawdown, right? Wait, what did his chat say above? He lost because mine didn't. You know what's weird, right? When I was in it, mine was it was down 5k on one account, which is obviously max loss limit, but it didn't close out. Yeah, his was down 12 on one account. So how did the? I'll be very shocked if they keep that, because it'll flag. It normally flags up on theirs. Is it better to pass eval over a month? It depends on your situation, right? It's very rare I'll be in eval for longer than a month. It normally takes me at least 2 to 3 weeks, max 3 weeks. I risk 600 per trade on a 50k, and obviously go for 1 to 2. I don't want us to take the Asia highs without me. Just watch YM. But it's completely up to your. It's depending on what your situation is. The only daily civvy. I'm watching this. I don't know. I don't like this. But this just looks like if we're gonna go up to Asia. Yeah. There is an order block on YM, but it goes back to my point about the relative equal lows. No, I don't trade German for you. Yeah, I know, Peter. It's gonna be fun. YM is the weakest though. Even though it's set that low, it's significantly weaker on the daily. Bearish, you think? Fuck knows at this point. I mean, I just want to pay attention to how we react when it's Asia high. On what, my YouTube? No way. I'm 8 subs away from 100k, from 100k, from 100 subs on my YouTube. Everyone go and subscribe to my YouTube in a TikTok. No way. That's crazy. That was the longest 8. That's the longest 100 of my life. What is the name of my YouTube? I'm gonna put my hand. I'll put it on the screen. It's on the screen. That's my YouTube. How you get your charts to sync multi-time? Yeah, so you go up here to the right, and then you can press this. Just to copy your settings like mine. Interval, crosshair, and data range. How many days do you trade a week? I trade every day, 5 days, weekdays. Thanks, lover. I do not like this. Did you manage to do it, Sam? Yeah, like you said, it'd be nice if we inverse this 1 hour fair value gap on the next 1 hour candle close. Can you show us? Yeah, thank you, Andrew. Can you explain and show us an example of I will not go over it now, but go to on my YouTube. I've got a video about SMT. It's quite in depth. Thank you for the subscription. I appreciate it. Subscription? That sounds like you're paying. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Math take ES. Just wait. Fucking hell. Kind of buy day. Thought CPI would break. I thought CPI would do a lot of things. Turns out it just doesn't care. News are not affecting anything. I don't think I've ever experienced CPI. Yeah. No, I'm not trading. Thank you for the kind words, but no, I'm not trading CRT or quarterly theory. The Dow can be the low here. Gabriel, do you want it off this M5OB? I assume. Yeah, NQ Lover eats that up. I've got to sell. Nice. I just don't want to trade this until we break out this consolidation, personally. Nice 6J. Criminal that we didn't take the Asia high. Daily market maker sell model. Nice. I actually might check that. Are you in the Discord? Can you send it in the chat? I love looking at the market maker sell model. Or any market maker model. NQ is so determined to take that buy side. Yeah, I think we might get a previous day low sweep here. I mean, create SMT, Andrew. Baby. Come on, Dow. Asia plus data high. Then into bearish for You want? I do like the data high sweep. You want shorts, Don? Don, look at YM. YM looks kind of clean for shorts. If you want shorts, I'm personally I want to wait for us to get out of this consolidation, this range, on one of the assets. Alright, so previous day low is about to get swept on YM. I like previous weekly high. If we're getting it to move lower, which I wanted. Chablo, are you going to look to take a short off the Asia high then? With the SMT? What is ES doing? Alright, we're about to get this previous day low SMT. On CFDs, all three assets are still trapped in. Really? We're about to take it now though. So now we've got the previous day low SMT. I can't see the Discord link. Go to my bio. It'll be in it's called, it's like the free Discord thing or something, or free trading community. Just YM pushing into 4-hour ball. Yeah, that's good. Even if I wanted to short, I'd need Asia high swept. This is Asia high here. Yeah, nice candle. Or even ES is ready to equal lows if we want longs. This is not as clear as it was yesterday. You can already tell we're in a consolidation profile. Look how much I'm having to analyse the price. Just like this. Oh, poor Gabriel. Wait. Oh, that's I want a 1 hour. Oh, I see. For I'm closes the street, this would be a lovely confirmation. I'm being extra patient today in this consolidation profile. The old me would have been trying to get in this, or like trying to long somewhere, or trying to short, and failed to realise that we are inside of a range. That was delivering out of a bait. Yeah, I know, Don. That's what I sent in the thing. Yeah, exactly. Red to equal highs, red to equal lows. The Dow is the weaker for shorts because of the daily bearish fair value gap and the candle closure and the S&T. So in theory, if you didn't look at NQ or ES, you could be short on Dow. Off, you could technically be here. There would have been no entry. That's what Gabriel was waiting for. He's in the YouTube chat, Don. Just don't do anything stupid today. Like, look at this. Do you really want to short while NQ is here? Has left these highs? Because what is that? What is this? This is red to equal highs. You got S&T here. Imagine we didn't even run Asia though. Yeah, Don, I'm always going to be on YouTube because it's just easier, and you can all see my screen, and it makes more sense. Yeah, exactly, Don. Exactly. The only downside with TikTok, with YouTube, is I get copyright strikes for playing music. Hence why there's no music. I do not like this. I would. Oh man, if I wasn't live trading, I'd probably close the charts. Like, I can't short because we've got the relative equal highs. Okay, can't short, and I can't long because there's not enough structure yet. I can't believe, but Asia highs would be a good draw if we do get the longs eventually today. Yeah, for real. I'm in ES shorts. Good luck, man. What time? Where did you get in from? There's an order block here. This is an M5OB on ES that you could be in. Gabriel, did you take this? Did you take ES? I know you wanted shorts, but I know YM's taking pretty stay low. SMT's at 4-hour lows. So if we disrespected the 15-minute busy, I gotcha. There's plenty of R as well, Gabriel, if you do want to use the 15-minute inverse. the SMT at previous day low now. I won't short now. I won't short. Especially with the relative equal highs. Can't long yet because of the relative equal lows, and we haven't had any reaction. Dow's inside of SMT previous day low, 4 hour gap. It's just the Asia highs were relative equals as well. Both sides of the market can be offered. Yeah, wise words. Wise words. Right, I'm just going to nip to the toilet. Have we done anything? No. We're rejecting off a 5-minute civvy on YM. I would love... Imagine if YM could inverse that 5-minute fair value gap in the next 4 minutes. We can look to trade back up to Asia, but I don't think we're going to get it. Price looks very heavy. It looks like we're just... YM's created SMT in the previous 5-minute candle. I'm just going to watch this short. Did anyone take the ES short? Let me move my TikTok chat so you can all see. I'm not in this. Before everyone comes in and says, "Are you in this?" No, I'm not in this. Is that what your position looks like? You're just shorting into loads of 5-minute gaps and a 15. Gotcha. Good luck, man. I'm just going to reiterate to everyone in here, I'm not in this short. If I was in this short, you'd be able to see the orders. Gold 1 hour SMT delivering 4. See, Don, you're a bad influence. You make me want to look at gold. Nothing wrong with gold, to be fair. It's just gold. I think gold's out of that range now, though. It tagged into that daily fair value gap. What's up, Pablo? How you doing, man? I'm not in this, by the way, Pablo. Yeah, everyone. We got 40 people nearly in the TikTok, and we've got. Why doesn't it say the amount of people in the TikTok chat? And in TikTok we've got 4. But yeah, everyone in the TikTok chat, like the stream. Asia High. Yeah, I know. I'm not in this. I'm watching YM. This isn't a short. I'm not in this. I'm not in this. There's this SMT, but we're inside a consolidation, and I prefer longs. What's the time? Oh, bollocks! We've got a minute, and we're not going to close off this gap. I'm actually tense. I didn't even realise the time. We haven't done much, to be fair. Who took this short? I'm over a kind of glitch. I didn't take it. Yeah, I want to pay attention. Oh god, I want to pay attention to how this 4-hour candle closes or opens. No, closes. Oh man, I'm so tired. Yeah, it's definitely a good day to be cautious. It's not as one-sided as it was yesterday. Right, let me go to this. And we got 4-hour PSP. Candle 2. Yeah, I'm long. I'm long till range highs. Dow was so weak. Fuck. 11 a.m. 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Dow is basically like the weakest out of all of them. And you've got a 15-minute fair value gap there. There's the Asia highs, the relative equal highs I was on about. Here's Daddy YM waking up. I swear this YM better not run. I can't have this. I can't have this happen again. Nice, Hamza. What is there? Is there news going on? Like, is Trump doing? There's a consolidation high. I'm watching YM. Shit, man. Shit. Not again. Fuck. There's all SMT here. Let me check. Let me check if Trump. Diesel prices skyrocket over the US. Tesla shares hit 2-week high. Yo, bro, do you think I should still watch you if I don't trade? Yeah, this the way I trade works on Forex as well. I'm looking at this M5 OB. You've also got that there, that M15. Yeah, but like, what is this now? I mean, if you're gonna short now, I personally wouldn't short when the 4 hour 10 a.m. 6 a.m. candle closed like that. Personally, but you do whatever you deem valid. At the end of the day, what's your requirements to take trade during high impact? Wait until whenever the high impact news releases. So either wait until after 9:30 if there's no news, or wait until after the high impact news. So say there's news at 10, high impact news, I won't trade before that. ESTP, I'm looking for short. Good luck, man. I wanted the 5-minute candle closure over the order block. Nice, Nathan. Come on, what is this? And I can't take NQ or ES at the moment. Like, even though this is a breaker block. This is a breaker block at the moment. But obviously, this breaker block's already been tested. Yeah, we need that 5-minute camera closure. Yeah. But you're looking for short, right? So what do you want? Is there a certain news like CPI where you no any not trade for the session, say? What I tend to do is if it's depending on news release. There's no news release that'll just automatically stop me from trading for that day. There's just some that make me more cautious, like the day before NFP, etc. Like yesterday was the day before CPI, but I'm not. Day before CPIs from my data aren't as impactful as the day before NFPs. Let's go, Dom. See which ones, like, it doesn't take an idiot here to work out which asset is stronger and which asset is weaker, but I just can't trade NQ. There's no way for me to get in. If the Dow just runs as well, then I'll trade the 15-minute OB. It's kind of one of them, either or. What's the Dow? US 30 or YM? Let's go. Dom, what did you take it on? NQ, I assume. Are you still in the chat, EO? Or NQ lover? Can you just mute that guy if you don't mind? Someone's like, I can do it. I'll do it. I got it. What's a good session indicator with Asia? I use Lux Algo sessions. This is wait, what are you watching? This is NQ now. Nice, Hamza. Nice, Pablo. No, you're good. You're good. It's Tokyo Asia. Tokyo is what I call Asia. I'll show you the Dow position when I'm waiting. This. But we can't do anything until you get the candle closure. Or we're just going to bleed. That is a dreadful candle. Right. We're just waiting. I just don't think the Dow's ready. I can't short. There is that 4-hour. There is that 4-hour external there, to be fair. So you'd be trying to trade this. You'd be trying to trade the reversal. 15. I just want to watch this 5-minute inverse. I'm looking at that on NQ. And we created that inverse fair value gap on the 1 hour on NQ. NQ is the strength leader. I'm not in anything at the moment. I'm just watching this NQ 5-minute inverse to the downside. OB inverse value gap or breaker. Four-hour external. SMT everywhere. Man, this is shit. This is actually so shit. This is actually so shit. Oh my god, we've got a rage beta in the TikTok chat. He's got 1 follower. I'm not in this. If anyone... What have you done? What have you done? NQ, what have you done? It's just popped up saying... Just leave it, it's fine. What have you done? Oh, that's jokes. What the fuck am I even watching? Who's that? Open, high, low, close. Who can't type? Is he... How do I... He should be able to type, he's not in timeout. User 749, I'm not going to help you. I just can't be asked. I'll trade my model and you can just watch me. If that's what you want to do. Bro, it hasn't even been an hour since CPI. Oh my god. How have you put him in a 24-hour timeout? But how do I... 5 more subs. I need 5 more subs, guys, for 100 subscribers on YouTube. Holy TikTok chat. Make it happen. Thanks. How do I... He's not in timeout, though. Don Pablo, try and talk. In the YouTube chat. I'm watching this at the moment. He just said cannot. Oh, for fuck's sake. Um, how do I? I think you need to do it, lover. I didn't meet you, Don. Lover's got permissions. He done it by accident. Just he's gonna try and figure it out now. If I make you a mod, you might be able to talk. Try that, Pablo. Try talking now. Can't. Lover, what have you done? Fuck's sake. How? He says he can't talk. He literally can't talk. You must have pressed something. He's in a timeout. So how can he talk again? In 86k seconds. Oh God. 24 hours? Oh, I'll have to have a look. So is there no way I can remove it? Have you taken any trades? No, I haven't taken any trades. Don, you might have to join the TikTok chat, Pablo. We both got trauma. You and me both. Someone hit. I don't have a fucking clue here. I'm literally just waiting for something. I'm waiting for some kind of displacement here. Like either we close off this 5 minute inverse and I'll take a stab, or we create the inversion on the Dow. Gabriel, what did you say about RTY, by the way? Where's your You haven't muted Gabriel as well, have you? I took the breaker, looking nice and break even. On what, RTY? Holy shit. That is clean. Is there any SMT? Gabriel? There is. You took 4 hour. Where's the SMT? Oh, you use it with YM and NQ. Okay, I was looking at only YM. Because YM's. Oh, okay, I get you now. What's that like? Have you tested that? Like if YM has some SMTs on? Oh, I see. That's interesting. So you basically just combine RTY into the triad of NQES and YM. This is shit. Oh, I see. I see. I've never even tried it like that. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I would prefer longs, but there's been no displacement to do anything. There's nothing like there's nothing I can actually do. Four-hour bullish fair value gap. Don Chablo. Yeah, that's what I was just looking at. I just don't like the daily Sibby we're in. 15. Nice. There was no retracement though. How did you mark it in? Send it in the chat, Don. Nice, nice. Are you using order blocks like that now then? Because that's a breaker block instead. Yeah, the 4-hour fair value gap. Oh, I see. My bad. I thought it was the order block. Yeah, that's sick. That's sick. CPI candle high. The only Don Pablo. What about this breaker? What about the breaker? Well, I wanted longs, but now I'm looking at this displacement. So I might take this at reduced risk. Wait for the 5-minute candle closure and see how we close. You're. I'll take this at reduced. I want to risk around. Let's see if we come back and I'll get in. Looks good, S&T. Yeah, I'm waiting for a retrace. And I'll take this. And I'll move my stop to midnight. 749. What? From where? What are you on about? From TikTok? Did I block you? Did I block you? I meant to block someone else. What was your profile photo? Am I gonna get left? Yeah, so I'm currently watching this at the moment. I'm waiting for retracement so I can get off this breaker block. So just waiting now. And then target down to proof stay low. What was your profile photo? Because I might have blocked you by accident. User. Like, what's up, AS? I need a retracement. Yeah, that gold does not last, Jablo. Apex is still 90% off, I believe. Peter, I'm waiting. How do I... It's just a black profile photo? I meant to block this other guy that was sending... Wait, let me check. I'm just reacting to what Price is doing now, here. Yeah, it looks nice, Don Traveller. How do I check who's been muted or like blocked? Aha, here you go. Oh, yeah, I blocked you by accident. Sorry. You've been unblocked. Sorry. I meant to block someone that was sending signals. Sorry about that. Yacht. Or reduce stops this minute. Yeah, nice done. This 15-minute, I want to see it. I want to see if it kind of closes below this. Yeah, no worries, man. I'm sorry about that. There was someone that was trying to send signals, so I must have blocked you by accident. That's gonna be a shit 15-minute candle closure. I'm really not too keen on this. I want to see this. How's this 15-minute going to close below this? Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Mm. I don't mind this. I'll take this. I've taken this a bit light. It's a unicorn model. Yeah, I've taken this a bit light. It is a unicorn. My feel was dreadful. Holy fuck. How do you... Like, I don't mind taking a stab. I'm setting this to ticks because I'm not having all of you kicking off. Don, did you get him? I've taken this light, like I said. I'm gonna go like... I view a good stop. What's that? A swing high, like that, like that. And then what have we got as a draw? Once ES takes previous day low, I'm going break even. Rejection of this 15-minute. Two secs. I'm just sending this signal. Couldn't take my lucids in alpha because they're on go. Oh yeah, I see. Nice. So what I would do is set your alerts at previous day high on ES, previous day low, sorry. And then once we take previous day low, then you can reduce your risk. Does that make sense to everyone? Like if you feel emotional to this trade right now, then just walk away. I need to check something. I'm in a bit light on this, I'm not going to lie. ES just gave a tag of the breaker. Drake or K Dot. Don't know who K Dot is. Drake. I'll sit on the 15 and we can just watch. You see this? This is what I liked here. This was a 15-minute order block as well. See, we have a short-term high swept. This is our order block. You could reduce your risk here, to be fair. We've got SMT there. There's SMT at this high here. K-Drops, Kendrick Lamar then. I'm going to reduce it down to this inverse. Just like that. I'm already in light, so we'll let it do its thing. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. I don't care what happens to price. I'm going to do that. And then that way, it's basically a risk-free trade. Fuck it. I don't care what happens other than that. We're in a consolidating market. I'd rather keep my loss tight. Keep it as small as possible. So I don't care what happens. I just don't. This is just a consolidating market. You're in a revenge trade? That's stupid. Get out. Well, GG's one. See, this is a prime example, everyone. Okay, so someone in the YouTube chat just said, "Well, GG's. This is a prime example." Sorry, he didn't say that. He said, "Well, GG's one no tag, one break even that runs TP." Okay, so pay attention. And what did I say? We're in a consolidation markets, right? We're literally in a seek and destroy. Doesn't that make sense? What's happening? But nice work, Gabriel. Yeah, I mean, I've slammed on risk. Like, I've slammed on and reduced my stop because I don't really care. I don't deem this as high probability as it was yesterday. Let me tell you that. But I would love if the only chance this trade can work is if this SMT at a previous 5 minute holds inside this 5 minute fair value gap. That's the only possibility that this trade will work. If not, it's just going to stop me out at whatever risk rate. Like, it's barely anything. This is. Do you know now the YM longs look juicy, but I'm not taking a trade after this. Why do you think it'll go? Why do you think it would go higher? I don't know. I don't know what price it's gonna do, but I understand that we're in consolidating market. That YM inverse does look juicy though. I'm not gonna lie. Right now. Yeah, everyone like and share the live, and go and subscribe to my YouTube. I reckon it's going down to the I don't fucking know. I don't care. I actually could not think of anything worse. Or sitting in here. That was picking up strength. Is anyone watching YM longs at all? If we run out this SMT at the high, I'm getting out manually. This second stage SMT, you see between this previous 5 minute candle from 10:35. If that gets ran, I'm cutting this early. Still hasn't been ran. Shit, I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm out. Fuck that trade. Fuck that trade. Oh my god, I took $62 loss. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Yeah, I mean, if you're still in this trade, and go for it. I just don't know that we're in consolidating markets. Hey, Miguel. No one cares. Yeah, good luck. It's. I just don't like the higher time frames. The consolidation. Hence why I was so close to managing my risk. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Off this order block. Wait, Tradeovate has manual lockout now? Holy. Oh my fuck. 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 What the fuck? Are you done for the day now? Yeah, I won't take anything. I just took that YM by accident. Fuck. This is, you could have a YM. I didn't mean to do this, by the way. I didn't mean to do this. I'm not taking anything else now. I'm not taking anything else today. But you can watch this YM play out. Nothing else I am taking. I'm not gonna lie, I might as well just fucking... Like, what the fuck? This is shit. Can you see my screen? YouTube? Wait, hold on. I need to switch over accounts and I'm not. Can you not see my screen? I need to switch over my accounts. Well, I want to log out of TraderView. How about now? I was just logging at my accounts. Alright, sweet. That's good. That's what I wanted it to be. I was logging at my accounts. What would your... Brother, oh, fuck off. Can you all see now? Still? Yes. Sweet. I don't care any of you say I'm logging into paper trading. I'm not trading anymore on Tradeovate today. So I'll log into paper trading. I just want to see how much this would be in contracts. Contracts wise, that's what I'm looking at. But then you've got leverage as well. I'm not taking this, everyone. God damn. God damn. Hence why I'm not taking this. Hence why I logged into paper trading. But this is technically valid. Is anyone taking this YM? Is anyone taking this YM long? Yay or nay? I'm not taking this. I've already taken a trade. I do not like what the markets are doing. I'm not taking this. Capiche, capiche? Price is moving so slow. But yeah, I mean, this is the model. Don't get me wrong. This is still the model. I just don't like it. I don't like the range we're in. I don't like it. Compared to yesterday, this is nothing. This is not like I want to see. It's a 15-minute order block as well, to be fair. This is a guaranteed win. Super low inverse already. Nothing in trading is a guaranteed win. There is no way you can actually say, okay, this is actually going to win. You never ever know that. There's always going to be a level of uncertainty. Whoever told you that, I'm sorry to tell you, that's not correct. PA is ass. But can everyone see that was in here yesterday? Can you all see like the difference between the PA today and the PA yesterday? Or not? Just letting you know the trade's gonna land, mate. Thank you. Chablo, you still in? I'm just looking at your... What is that? Have you seen what they've done to TradingView? That's pretty cool. What the hell? Are you still in, Chablo? I'm just looking at gold for you on my phone. No, Don Chablo. Is he still in here? Is he still in the YouTube? He's not. Let me add him. Let me add him in the cord. Oh, yeah. I just added you. My bad. My bad. It was up to 5 minute, right? Was it? Yeah, it was. Let me scroll back up to your chat. Yeah, 5 minute. 5 minute. Break block. I'm watching it for you. Good luck, man. Good luck, buddy. Thank you for the follow. This is dead. This is actually dead. I do like this though. These highs here. You see all these these are what I like to call failure swings. It's a good little draw. where is B, Luke? What do you mean? I wouldn't. Mo, are you on about going break even? Are you in YM? This is YM, everyone. Today I'm just observing market, no executions attempt. Dirty PR, agree. Agreed. Like look at NQ 5 minute, it's barely moved. Like, do you really want to be trading that? Mo, what are you in? This is dead. And this is why it's so important to know about consolidating markets and to know when we're inside of a range. We've now got a 15-minute BC and a 15-minute CIBI. How fun. Dead day. Dead day. Is anyone in this YM? Did we? Thank you for the follow. You're in it, Mo. Bye. Good luck. Mo, we're just consolidating today. It's actually painful. Nice, good luck. Have I hit 100 subs yet? Holy... Oh yeah, can everyone subscribe to my YouTube? I'm 5 subs away from 100. Holy crap. It's really weird though. It's like TikTok is so easy to get followers, and then YouTube is just a complete different level. Not confident though. This is disgusting, PA. But like, this is the type of long I would have been waiting for if I wasn't so indecisive about PA today. But it's just the higher time frames. Higher time frames are the problem, Mo, as you know. Did everyone see about the new alpha plans while we're here? Not new alpha plans. The new, you can have 5 accounts now. Why not SPX 500 or US 100? Because YM US 30 for you gave me the best reaction and has the best draws at the moment. This trade is probably going to take forever. There's 59 people in this TikTok live, and there's only 3.2k likes. I'm not gonna lie. This could easily take so long, just to, do anything. Does anyone want to trade breakdown on YM now? Or not. Dead PA, dead PA. Now we're going to start moving to these highs. No, I'm not going to ES. Why would I go to ES? This is dead, man. This is actually so dead to watch. This is like probably the most boring thing I've ever watched. Can you explain what you're... Just search it up on Google or ask ChatGPT. Just search whatever, if you trade Forex or futures, just search up what is a... if you trade, depending on what you trade, just search up what is a futures or what is a Forex broker, etc. We've got this now. Honestly, guys, I'm going to cut it here because I just can't be asked to watch this anymore. This PA is just absolutely crap. Should I get an Apex or Lucid? It depends what you want out of it. I mean, Lucid's got no activation fees. Apex does. But once again, YouTube chat, thank you for joining. We'll go again tomorrow. This has been a load of shit. And yes, thank you.